Hello, today we will guide you through how to create custom intent audiences in Google Ads. To begin, open Google Ads and make sure you are in the correct account where you want to build your audience. Starting from the main dashboard helps ensure you can follow the path smoothly without missing any settings along the way. Once you're inside Google Ads, click on Tools. This is where Google groups many of the account-level resources and setup options, including audience-related features. If your layout looks slightly different, don't worry. Google Ads occasionally updates its interface, but the Tools area is still the place to go for audience management. From there, click on Audience Manager. This section is where you can view, organize, and create audience segments for your campaigns. It's essentially the control center for audience targeting, so this is where you'll manage the segment you're about to create. Next, click on the plus icon to start creating a new audience segment. The plus button is used to add something new, and in this case, it opens the creation options available in Audience Manager. After that, select Website Visitors. This option is used when you want to build an audience segment based on people who have interacted with your website. Choosing the right audience type is important here because it determines what kind of data and conditions you'll be working with in the next screen. Now fill out the required procedures and information shown on the form. Take your time with this part because the details you enter will define how your segment works. You may be asked to provide a segment name and specify the website visit conditions or rules needed for the audience. Make sure the information is clear and accurate so the segment is easy to recognize later, especially if you plan to create multiple audiences. A descriptive name can save time when you return to manage or apply your audiences in future campaigns. Once everything has been completed and reviewed, click Create Segment. This final step saves your audience and makes it available for use in your Google Ads targeting setup. Before clicking, it's a good idea to quickly double-check the details you entered so the segment reflects exactly the audience you intend to reach. And that's it. You've successfully created a custom audience segment in Google Ads through Audience Manager. After creation, you can return to this area anytime to review, edit, or use your segment in campaigns where more focused targeting is needed.